Hello. Today I'm answering another interesting question, and today question is, what exactly is Python used for? Now, Python is used for a variety of things, and I'm going to explain that in less than 5 minutes. Now, Python is used for a variety of things. You can become a web developer, an AI engineer, and the rest of other roles. And let's start with the first one, web development. So Python can be used for web development, but Python come with a framework called Django and Fast API. So with Django and Django REST framework, you can become a full stack engineer building website with the Django, and also API for backend with Django REST framework and Fast API. So that is it for web development. And number two is data science and data analysis, which has been what I've been emphasizing on. So you can become a data engineer and data analyst with the skill of Python. And Python helps you to really make this fast without much work. All right. So the libraries are there, the community is there, the package are ready. Then you can also become a machine learning engineer. So as a machine learning engineer with Python skill, you are good to go. All right. So you aspire to become a machine learning engineer, you can go with the knowledge and skill of Python. Then another thing is automation and scripting. So you can automate scripts, you can automate tasks using Python. All right. So mostly it's all about fastness of the language. So Python is fast and scalable. So if you want to build something quickly and launch quickly, Python is your go-to. And the next one is game development. So you can build game using the skill of Python. So Python can be used to develop games, and then you can develop a desktop applications, and you can develop desktop application, all right, using the skill of also what Python. Then cyber security and ethical hacking. So you are interested in cyber security and ethical hacking, then Python is the skill that you need. All right, and with Python skill, you can become um a cybersec and ethical hacking hacker. All right. Then, like I said, API and backend. So you can build API with backend using Python. All right. And this is made possible because of the libraries and packages that Python comes with. So these are the five things that you can use. And lastly, you can use Python for education. All right, so you want to teach programming, Python is the best language to start with, and that is why I'm inviting you for my course. I have a beginner to course on Python that you can learn, and I will also be mentoring you. If you are interested, the link is down below. All right, thank you so much. See you in the next one.